How to create and organize your life goal on Google Calendar. So hello guys, first thing you have to do, go to Google Calendar. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go down and click on this little option and choose the first one, it's goal. Now scroll down until you find organize my life. Click on it and choose which activity, for example plan the day, how often, every day, how long, 2 hours, best time, any time, and click here and you will be able now to add this goal to your list. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.